Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel VG Exports Mastery. I am virtual tourist. Friends, on this channel I share with you some very interesting videos, interesting journeys within India and outside India. In the past I had taken you to Turkey, Japan and started with Singapore, and also I shared with you some videos regarding my trip from Ghaziabad to Mussoorie. Now, in today's video, I am taking you to a very rare place where many people do not know the place. They have never been to that place. So, this is district Karoli in Rajasthan, and there is a very small village there which is called Shri Mahavirji, which has got one of the oldest temple of Jain sect, and this is revered as one of the most important religious place for Jains. So I will take you to this journey. We'll start this journey from Ghaziabad, which we have just started, and we are just passing through Noida, and we'll be taking the Yamuna Expressway for this journey. We'll be going via Jewar International Airport towards Mathura, and we'll be bypassing Mathura to the Bharatpur highway. Then on the way crossing Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, we'll be going to the Agra Jaipur Expressway, where we'll be turning towards the Hindon town, the industrial town of Rajasthan at Mahua. And from Hindon we will be moving towards the Karoli district to this very small village which is called Shri Mahavirji. So this is our plan for today. So I hope you enjoy this journey. Let's go through this journey. So friends, we are just reached the point where Blue Line and Aqua Line of Delhi Metro meets. So right now we are driving just below the Aqua Line. Aqua Line connects sector 70 of Noida with the sectors in Greater Noida. So you can see we are just below the Aqua Line, new line, which has been built and operated by Noida Metro Rail Corporation, NMRC, and we are just passing through the one of the station of Aqua Line. We are still in Noida, and we are approaching to the Noida Greater Noida Expressway, from where we plan to take the Yamuna Expressway to go to Mathura, and from Mathura to Bharatpur, and later to Rajasthan. We will enter Rajasthan in Bharatpur. Friends, Rajasthan at present is in very safe zone because there are very few coronavirus cases. So if you want to visit Rajasthan, this is the best time. And climate wise, in rainy season you will find that Rajasthan is at its best. Lot of greenery, temperature is also favorable. Of course, the best time to visit Rajasthan is winter. So the next best is the rainy season, which is the one which I am showing, that we are driving to Rajasthan in this rainy season. So we are expecting rain in between in our journey. This will be our 3-day journey. This is the first day of the journey. So, friends, we just completed the Greater Noida Expressway, and we are just picking up the entry point of Yamuna Expressway. You can see. So, on the way, there is a very good food stopover, refreshment stopover on Yamuna Expressway, just before the Mathura toll. This is called the food street. Not very crowded this time because not many people are traveling in this season because of the coronavirus scare. But let me tell you that there is no problem to travel to this circuit as far as the coronavirus is concerned. So we just entered the Mathura city. You can see the crowd of Mathura city. So we just picked up this highway from Mathura to Bharatpur. Just entered the Bharatpur city. Lot of construction is going on in Bharatpur city at present. Many new developments are happening in Bharatpur. So this is Bharatpur city. So we just turned from Mahua towards Karoli district. We'll be first approaching towards Hindon town, which is a major industrial town of Rajasthan. So we have finally reached Hindon town. It is famous for the red stone, the typical famous Rajasthani red stone. It is also called sandstone. Stone is supplied from Hindon city all over India. It has got a major railway station in Hindon city railway station. The most interesting thing to see in Rajasthan is its Jugaad vehicle, which I'll just talk about. This Jugaad vehicle is very important for rural India, especially for Hindon city, because of the use of Jugaad as pickup truck for the stone and for passengers also it is used. So I'll just talk about it. So I'm looking for a Jugaad to pass through, and I'll take a picture of that and I'll talk about it a little bit. In this Hindon city, so this is Jugaad. It cost around 1.5 lakh rupees, and it can take 35 passengers and can take the goods weighing up to 1 ton, and its running cost is around 10 to 12 rupees per kilometer. This is the most cost effective vehicle. You can see another Jugaad standing here, and some repairs are going on in the one of the Jugaad here. Friends, no registration, PUC or any RTO taxes, road taxes are required to run this Jugaad. It is most cost effective vehicle of India. 3 people can make and assemble Jugaad in 3 days. So another Jugaad just passed through. So we just crossed over from Hindon city and moving towards Shri Mahavirji, very small town in Karoli district. In fact, Hindon is also part of Karoli district. Road is good towards Shri Mahavirji. Little bumpy, but good. So we are very near to Shri Mahavirji. This is the bridge on the Rainy River, which is the iconic river of Shri Mahavirji. It was always full of water, but after the formation of Govardhan Dam, you don't see river flowing for several months in the year. So friends, finally we reached Shri Mahavirji. This is the most famous Jain temple of Shri Mahavirji. This is more than 400-year-old temple. The folklore says that 400 years back, the milkman saw that one of the cow was not able to give milk in the evening when it came after grazing. No milk in the udders of cow. So finding it weird, he chased the cow next day to see that the cow was throwing the milk on a mound. Surprised to see that, he started digging the mound and found the Chandra Prabhu idol more than 400 years back. And the same idol is the main idol of this temple. You can see that idol of Chandra Prabhu Bhagwan in this temple. This is the outer wall of the temple, made of white marble. Beautiful temple. Lot of options to stay in Shri Mahavirji. AC rooms, non-AC rooms. Many dharamshalas are there. One of the most important pilgrim place for Jains. No mask, no entry. Outside the temple, there is a small market here. You can find very good food, snacks, sweets, and very famous churan of Shri Mahavirji. Very, very famous. Which was started by a blind person in Mahavirji, who is no more. He used to sell this churan on the small railway station in Shri Mahavirji when people were waiting for the train. So he was doing brisk business. From there, the manufacturing of churan started in a very big way, and you can find many, many shops. This is the Museum of Jain Arts and Culture in Shri Mahavirji, and these are the camel carts which take you to other temples, nearby temples in the village. So friends, how was the day today? We started in the morning, early morning from Ghaziabad, and we were headed towards Karoli district, Shri Mahavirji. Went through Yamuna Expressway, Jewar International Airport, Mathura, Bharatpur, Mahua, Hindon, and we reached Karoli district, Shri Mahavirji. Very interesting place in Rajasthan at around 1:30 p.m. Had our lunch, had some rest in the room, and this room you can see. So this is the end of the first day of our trip from Ghaziabad to district Karoli, which is Shri Mahavirji. Very religious place, and this is the dead end of the day. So let's explore the day tomorrow. We'll start in the morning, and I will cover the next day in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.